Victoria's Secret & Company is a specialty retailer of women's apparel and beauty products marketed under the Victoria's Secret, Pink and Adore Me brand names. Victoria's Secret brand offers intimate apparel, casual sleepwear, swim, lounge, and sport, as well as fragrances and body care. Pink is a lifestyle brand for young women, providing variety of collections and heritage pieces, including intimate apparel, loungewear, activewear, accessories, beauty, and more. Adore Me is a direct-to-consumer lingerie and apparel brand that is focused on serving women of all sizes and budgets. Barington was founded in 1992 by James A. Mitaratonda as a boutique full-service investment bank to serve the needs of emerging growth and smaller capitalization companies. The success of the firm and its investments led to the wind-down of the investment bank and the launch of an activist hedge fund in 2000. In its history, Barington has taken material action at 38 other companies and has averaged a 38.18% return on these investments versus 14.74% for the Russell 2000 over the same period. Barington is advocating for Victoria's Secret to replace at least a majority, if not all, of the board with directors who have proven experience in brand revitalization, operational execution, international expansion, and shareholder value creation. 6 of the 9 current directors have been on the board since its public listing. 2 have the reconstituted board. Consider whether CEO Hilary Super has the experience and strategic clarity necessary to engineer a turnaround. Nopash, Victoria's Secret & Company. VSCO is a specialty retailer of lingerie, clothing, and beauty products through its flagship, Victoria's Secret brand, Pink and Adore Me. The company began trading on the New York Stock Exchange in summer 2021, following a spin-off from L Brands, which is now Bath & Body Works. The company's nearly 4-year stint in the public markets has been marked by difficulties. Trading at an all-time high of roughly $76 per share not long after its debut, shares have fallen more than 75% to around $18 per share. Investor BBRC International Private Limited converted from a 13G to a 13D in February 2024 and built its position to nearly 13% as VSCO shares continued to tumble. Earlier this month, BBRC sent a letter to Victoria's Secret chair Donna James in which it lambasted the board for its history of value destruction. BBRC's letter is short on support and detail and long on allegation, negativity, and second-guessing with the benefit of hindsight. The only suggestion the investor makes states the obvious: constructing a confidence-inspiring board and generating positive financial returns to drive value creation. Thankfully for Victoria's Secret and its shareholders, a more constructive and experienced activist showed up, Barington Capital. On June 16, Barington sent a letter to the board of VSCO notifying the company of its more than 1% position. Then, in its very next paragraph, Barington uses words like constructively, collaboratively, and helpful. The firm does not just claim to have industry experience, but cites its engagement with L Brands, the former parent company of VSCO, which led to an increase in the stock price by 221.5% during its tenure as an advisor to the board of directors. Like BBRC, Barington criticizes the company's dismal underperformance, trailing its peers by 47.4 percentage points since its IPO. But while BBRC was content with just being critical, Barington specifically identifies several reasons for the underperformance, such as declining revenue, shrinking gross margins, growing inventory, high senior management turnover, a lack of marketing and merchandising focus, and an apparent failure to articulate or execute a compelling brand vision. Had Barington just left it there, the firm would have been more helpful than BBRC. However, as a responsible and experienced shareholder activist, Barington takes it to the next integral step: suggestions on a path forward. Specifically, Barington recommended that Victoria's Secret replace at least a majority, if not all, of the board with directors who have proven experience in brand revitalization, operational execution, international expansion, and shareholder value creation. 6 of the 9 current directors have been on the board since its public listing. 19 man chui chested, 19 toads, inted man danational markets. NV, 19 man danational markets. NV, accelerate growth.